Yo, what's up YouTube? What's up to my friends and subscribers and followers and new peers? So yeah, if you saw the title, this is me doing an unboxing. This is my first unboxing. So work with me here. Yeah, so I got this nice package here in the mail from Virtue Paintball. Some of you who follow Paintball, you probably know who they are. If you don't, look them up. Pretty solid company, I think. I'm new to Paintball, so as far as I know, they're pretty good. And I already have some items from them, and they're pretty good, in my opinion. But there's a ton of stuff out there. Find out what works for you, and maybe this video will help you guys. But without further ado, let's open the box. That's what y'all came here for. Oh, and I did not open the box yet, so this is a fresh first time seeing it with you all. And I actually had it for a couple of days, so I've been itching to get it open, so you guys should feel very special. Ooh. What should I do first? Let me look at the slip here. No, everything's here. What should I go with first? I got it. So, I got a new visor. Not visor, lens. I got a new lens. And I went with the all black lens. So I have the Virtue XS, I believe. And the reason why I got another lens is because I like options. I like variety, so I like to switch it up. But yeah, man, this looks clean. This looks clean. And my previous lens was all black. Excuse me, my previous mask or goggle, it was all black, and I liked it. And I also snowboard with an all black lens, and I like that as well. So I wanted to add this to my collection. So let me show you guys my other lenses. So we can do a quick comparison here. This is my clear one. And this is my Chrome HD lens here. So we got the clear one. I like it. No fogging, no issues. I actually wore it the last time I played. And I also wore this the last time I played. And it's kind of what led me to getting the black one. We were playing, I guess you can say, woods ball, and I had a little bit of tough time kind of differentiating depth and people and stuff like that. It could have just been an eye adjustment thing. I don't know. But I do like it. I think it just may be better in less woody areas. And then we got the black one, which I like. It's clean. It's clean. Pretty good mask. Pretty good lenses. Let me show you the goggle I have while I have these out. Like I said, I believe this is the XS, the A/O, I think, AIO. But yeah, I like it, and I went with the clear one because once again they had it on sale. But now I think it's the base price for it now. But I like it. And usually when I come into the parks or the fields and I see someone else with a clear one, they kind of give me the heads up or the thumb, or just let me know that, you know, we both have the clear goggle. But so far so good. So far so good. No problems with it. It's definitely better than my last one as far as breathability. Um, and protection is probably similar, but overall I like it. I like it. But enough on the mesh. Let's go to the next item. So I did not need this item, but I saw a YouTube video on it recently from one of the popular paintball sellers. So it intrigued me, and I went to the website, checked it out, saw the price, and I saw that it was version 2. So I decided to pull the trigger on it. And let's see why I did that. So, I got a new harness, guys. I got a new harness. I did not need a new harness, but I saw all the bells and whistles that this bad boy had, and I decided to pull the trigger on it. Again, I didn't need it, but I was intrigued due to it being strapless. My current harness or pod holder is not strapless. So I'm curious to see how these bad boys work. My current or previous pod holder, it does have the 4 like this, but it does not have the additional ones here. But I'm going to be honest with you guys. What kind of sold me on it is the straps here. I'm a little on the slender side. So sometimes in my previous holder, I felt like it may slip off or just moved a little too much for me. But this one is supposed to be a tri-fold. So let's take a look at it. Oh man, this Velcro already seems sturdy. Nice. And I also like the lumbar support. You can't hate on the lumbar support. That's real nice. Real nice. Good job, Virtue. And I see that it has a little bit of grip inside here. But yeah, let's check out this trifold strap. So like I said, my previous one is just the normal, you strap across, and you're done. But with this one, we have the first one that goes across here, and then we bring this bad boy across here. So you have, like I said, the normal strap here. Then you come across once more with this one. And then you're not done yet. You have this little bad boy right here that secures that. Right there. I like that, man. I like that. I'm looking forward to using this. Might as well show you my previous one while we're here. And again, these are the straps. Nothing was wrong with them. Nothing at all, actually. But I was just curious how the strapless would work and how user-friendly it would be and how long maybe the elasticity would last. So we'll see. I have 2. So if I don't like it, then I'll go back to this one. But as you can see here, I tried to add my own additional Velcro here. Like I mentioned, I'm kind of on the slender side. But I can see, I like to think I did a pretty good job of attaching this, but I can already see just the wear and tear. A couple more runs with it, I can see myself probably looking for a new harness or straps, or maybe just updating the Velcro. So we'll see. And last but not least, this last item was primarily the reason why I bought all of these. I told myself I wasn't going to get this one item. I was going to wait. It was kind of going to be the last thing that I was going to upgrade. But they had a sale with a few items that you buy and you will get an item free. So they got me. Good job, Virtue Paintball. You got me. So without further ado, yeah. They got me. So let's see what all the talk is about. Like I said, man, I'm a noob. I've been watching a lot of, oh man, that's nice. I had to cut myself off there. This is nice. It's sleek too. I can already tell it's lighter than my current one. And nothing was wrong with my current one. There's nothing wrong with it. It's a solid hopper. But man, this is nice. I was curious with all the hype. Not necessarily hype, just I see that a lot of guys use it. And there seems to be a lot of pros to it versus cons. It seems to be user friendly, and man, this is nice. I'm not sure it's worth the price, but in my hands, it feels good. It feels real good. It feels real good. I'd be curious to see how well this metallic holds up, or chrome, or whatever it's called, but. This is nice, and I went with the black and chrome or metallic or whatever you want to call it, because my gun current setup is kind of black and silver. It kind of just reared itself that way. It wasn't intentional, but yeah, this is nice. That's nice. That's nice. But let me show you guys the free item. They got me. They came free. The speed feed came free. I don't even know why these are expensive as they are. This together, how much this costs total should be how much these cost together. Anyway, if some of you agree, let me know in the comments. How much these cost? Ridiculous. But these, if you're going to upgrade to something like this, you need to get a speed feed. If you're going to shoot faster and you're going to have a hopper that's going to spit the paint down as fast as you're letting them go, might as well get a speed feed. So yeah, this one came free with the Virtue 4, and it is the Crown SF2. They don't have many color options of this, but what I do plan on doing, pretty much for anything I have, it never really kind of stays the way it is when I get my hands on it. But what I think I'm going to do here is probably paint the outside here, probably silver or chrome or metallic or something. And then hit it with a nice little finish so it won't chip or whatnot. I probably won't touch I don't know what you call these things in the middle and the inside, but I probably won't touch those as far as painting those or not, but I probably will paint the outside here. But yeah, that's how they got me, man. I was not in the business of buying a new hopper, but for how much these cost, and I saw that it was free with the purchase of this, I went ahead and bit the bullet and got the Spire 4, man. Got the Spire 4. I just see so many people talking about it, or so many people have it, or use it, or have nothing but positive things to say about it. So I just went ahead and got it. They got me. Like I said, good job, Virtue. Good job. But yeah, that is my Virtue Paintball unboxing, man. If you haven't already, like the video. And if you dislike the video, please let me know down in the comments so I can work on it and get better and give you guys content that you want to see, or that you like, or that you think I would benefit from, or you guys would benefit from. Like I said, paintball is new to me. This whole recording and video and YouTube stuff is still fairly new to me. So it is a work in progress. So again, if you dislike it, let me know. Let me know. Everyone's entitled to their opinion. But again, if you like it, also let me know. Hit that like button. And since you're still here, hit that subscribe, please. And thanks for watching, man. See you guys next time, either with a motorcycle video or some paintball, or who knows what I'm going to end up doing next. Thanks for watching.